You are going to start some Chinese lesson. 我哋啲小朋友依家開始學中文，咁我就用咗呢張台咧暫時俾佢哋咁樣學。而家我哋等緊上堂。我個仔咧喺度講緊葡文喎，好搞笑。
Today we are on this website now.
And what are we trying to do?
We are trying to speak Chinese, and some people out there might say, "Why do you want to learn Chinese?" Well, I am learning Chinese because my mum is Chinese, and honestly, there's no problem in just learning the language that my mum is speaking. So why can't I learn it?
We're from England.
But we live in Portugal.
I am from England, Coventry.
And I'm from well, I was born in Manchester and Ewan was born in Coventry, but then we lived in Rugby, then we moved to Portugal.
Okay. Wow. That's a long story. Where are they? And we're gonna rate it.
Ni.
Yeah, ni. It's like a third tone, like 三声, third tone. Ni. Ni means you. So like when we use.
But what does it need to clip my head for?
Because you're playing with it.
Do you remember this one? Lilian just said it. It's your turn.
You and your turn.
Yeah.
Sao. Zhejian. Zhejian.
Oh, that was brilliant. Good job. Well done. Woo! Your classmates were friends in the school. What would you say?
I say hello.
Ning, yes. Well done. What is Ning? We got them here. And then we got
Ni hao.
How's it? How's it, Ewan?
Very good.
Well, you haven't tried the